Hey everyone, I'm Allie and today I'll be sharing with y'all my makeup collection. For some context, I recently bought the FujiFilm X-T5. This is definitely the most impressive camera I've ever purchased, but it's also the most expensive camera. Hopefully this video turns out super good quality. If not, it was probably some user error on my part, but that's okay. Right now I have a desk devoted to my makeup collection. It used to be a combined makeup collection slash workspace slash gaming desk, and it was just way too much. It was cluttered all the time. For now, I do have a makeup vanity desk set up. It fits all of my makeup pretty perfectly. So without further ado, here's my makeup collection. This is an overview of my desk. My chair's from Ikea. It's actually a children's chair, but it sits at like the perfect height for this desk. And then I have a mirror that lights up. I have an Elgato ring light. Honestly, this is one of the best things I've ever bought for myself. It gives me really good lighting. Another cool desk accessory I have is this clock from Ikea. I have mine in 24-hour time because that's what I operate in. Over here is my setting sprays. So I have Benefit Professional, Elf Stay All Day, Cali Ray, Urban Decay All Nighter, the classic, and then this one's newer for me, but it's the Smashbox Photo Finish. I also have a Real Technique sponge, I have a beauty blender, and then I have a solid brush cleaner. On this side I have all of my makeup palettes. I try to separate my brushes out as best as I can. I used to do other people's makeup. I don't really do that anymore. I'm not a freelance makeup artist, so there's no real reason for me to have this many brushes. I have a mixture of Sonic Kashik, Real Techniques, Morphe, Sephora, Zoeva, BH Cosmetics, just about anything you can think of. I probably have at least one brush from them. Alright, and finally, let's get into the drawers. So this first drawer is my primers and pressed powders. So I have MAC Lightful, Winky Lux, Fenty. This is my favorite primer. It's Supergoop Unseen Sunscreen. It's like a clear sunscreen. Old favorite used to be Smashbox Photo Finish, so I have two of them. I also have minis of Benefit Professional and a Rare Beauty Brightening Primer. And then this is a MAC Cosmetics C brightening primer. Next drawer is concealers and then like miscellaneous, so I have a lot of concealers. Tarte Shape Tape, Rare Beauty, Fenty Beauty, Dior, Cover FX, and NARS. All of them are slightly different shades and I use them for slightly different things, and some are more coverage than not, so I like having a lot of concealers. In this drawer I have my eyelash curlers and then my little tweezer things specifically for false lashes. Over here I have all my lip liners. I have Huda, I have Shiseido, Jaclyn Hill. My favorite ones recently are these Rare Beauty ones. I have a ColourPop one, and then Estee Lauder. So just like with my concealers, my foundation drawer is a range of different finishes and brands and shades. My favorite lately has been the Summer Fridays Sheer Skin Tint. I also have MAC Pro Longwear. I have Milk, NARS, Shiseido, Clé de Peau, Dior, Makeup Forever, and more Makeup Forever are my loose powders. So I have the Beauty Bakery one in Oat. I have the Huda Beauty, the Anastasia Beverly Hills setting powder, and this one is the Guerlain Meteorites. Up here I have my brow products. So I have Anastasia Beverly Hills, a lot of Benefit. This is a clear brow gel from Milani, more Benefit. Drawer right below it is for my mascara. I have mainly Benefit, so FanFast, Bang, Bad Girl Bang Waterproof, and they're Real Magnet, and then I have two Milani ones, and then this is a Dior primer. Under that I have my bronzers. This is a mixture of cream and powder, Makeup by Mario, Huda Beauty, Tarte, NARS. This big one is the Marc Jacobs Omega bronzer. I have the Fenty cream bronzer, BBH contour stick in Fawn, and then the Charlotte Tilbury Hollywood Contour Wand. For my bronzers, I have my blushes, Makeup by Mario, Huda Beauty. These ones, shaped like this, are all Rare Beauty by Selena Gomez. I have Benetint, I have Play Tint, Charlotte Tilbury Glowgasm, Glossier, Charlotte Tilbury, NARS, just a mixture of creams, powders, and liquids. Moving down, I have my eyeliners. These are liquid and pencil eyeliners in a variety of colors. So as you can see, I have some blue Charlotte Tilbury ones. I have the new Urban Decay ones. One Size, Benefit, More Tarte, Makeup Forever. These are really nice. This is House Labs by Lady Gaga. So I have this one and then a few other shades right here. Next drawer is just falsies. These are both just random Ardell ones. To my left, I have eyeshadow sticks. So I have some NYX, some Bobbi Brown, Urban Decay. This is a duo from Huda Beauty. These 3 singles are from Urban Decay. Then I also have a Dose of Colors Loose Shadow, a NYX White Eye Base, and an Hourglass eyeshadow. All these are super pretty. They're all neutrals. If I ever am too lazy to do like a full eye look, picking like 2 or 3 of these and throwing them together always works out. This bottom drawer is highlighters. I have Rare Beauty, Dose of Colors, MAC, Laura Geller, Jaclyn Hill, and then this bottom one is Clio. So I have the Charlotte Tilbury Glowgasm. For my last set of drawers, I have my lip products. So I tried to keep things together by brand. These are all Dior, various colors, Shiseido, NYX, Maybelline. This top drawer is mainly for lipsticks. This drawer is like basically everything else. Liquid lipsticks from Maybelline. I have a Dior lip tint. I have the Dior lip glow. ColourPop lippy sticks. Para, Etude House fixing tints. A Buxom lip gloss in White Russian. It's the only lip gloss I own. There's liquid lipstick. And then this last one is a lip stain. That's it for my makeup collection. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please be sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more content. I also hope this camera held up the entire time because this is my literal first time using it. But it looks super powerful, so I'm hoping it turns out super powerful. Alright, I'll see you guys later. Bye!